Hey viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shubham's Corner. Today we will discuss about the endocrine gland. Now, what is endocrine gland? Endocrine gland actually those gland which secretions are not directly acts on the target organ. So how they acts now? They acts via some medium. Like after secretions, it mixed with the blood, then it reach to the target organs via the blood. Those glands which secretions directly mixed with the blood and transported via the blood to the target organs, those are known as the endocrine gland. Here you can see some endocrine glands that present in human body like hypothalamus. Hypothalamus also acts as the master of master glands because of it regulates the functions of pituitary gland. You all know that pituitary gland is known as the master gland. Why pituitary gland is known as the master gland? Because of pituitary gland control the all other functions, all other endocrine glands functions like pituitary gland control the thyroid hormone secretions from the thyroid gland. Pituitary gland also control the thymosin secretions from the thymus gland. Pituitary gland also pituitary gland secretions also control the secretions of epinephrine, non-epinephrine from the adrenal gland. That's why pituitary gland is known as the master gland. We all know our masters teaches us how to lead our life. That's then we can track on our way. Like the same way, pituitary gland also gives signal. After getting the signal from the pituitary gland, other gland started functioning. They start secreting. That's why pituitary gland is known as the master gland. Now, why hypothalamus is called the master of master gland? Hypothalamus gland is called the master of master gland because of pituitary gland is known as the master gland and the master gland secretion is controlled by the hypothalamus. If signal does not come from the hypothalamus, then the pituitary gland does not cannot starting its functioning. So that's why hypothalamus is known as the master of master glands. Here you can see defined other endocrine glands also like at our throat you can see here thyroid gland, parathyroid gland. After the throat, you can see the thymus gland which secrete thymosins. Here heart also present which secrete ANP hormones, atrial natriuretic peptide. Then from kidney erythropoietin hormone secreted that helps in that induces the erythropoiesis. After that. From the adrenal gland, adrenocortical hormones and from the adrenal medullary hormones secreted like epinephrine, non-epinephrine, adrenaline, etc. Then from the gonad, you can see from the male gonad testis, it secretes the testosterone, and from the ovary, it secretes the estrogen and progesterone. The chemistry of hormones. On the basis of their chemical nature, hormones are classified into three groups: peptide hormones, steroid hormones, and the amines. Peptide hormones, those hormones which are synthesized or produces from the peptide bond, like peptide-like structure, like it is the largest, most complex, and most common hormones. In examples include insulin and prolactin. Next one is the steroid hormone, lipid-soluble molecules synthesized from the cholesterol. Example include gonadal steroid hormone like testosterone, estrogens. These hormones are the steroid hormone. The precursors of these hormones are the cholesterols. Next one is the amines, small molecules derived from the individual amino acids. The precursor of these amines hormones are the amino acids. That's why they are known as they are grouped into the amines. Okay, example epinephrine, non-epinephrine, thyroid hormone. The classifications of hormones. You can see here hormones are classified on their chemical structure. Here the amino acid derivatives. Amino acid derivatives means the hormones which precursors are the amino acids. Like you can see here, small molecules structurally related to individual amino acid. The structure of the hormones are structurally related to the structure of amino acids. Okay, here the amino acid